Guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list, and here you're looking for Photomath app, or just click on search. Then here add Photomath, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. You come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.